All right, so let's talk a little bit more about urban movement. So if you saw the last couple videos, I made reference to an urban movement blog post. And in that post, we talked about setting up a smartphone for covert communications. And we have last week's post was specifically about how to set that up. So let me show you the smartphone I have here and the setup. So basically just keep it in a Ziploc bag just for whatever. Wrapped in 4 layers of tinfoil that serves as to protect from RF emissions. This does the same thing as a store-bought bag. The advantages to the store-bought bag or to a commercial bag is that this is a pain in the ass to have to unravel your phone all the time. It's not 100% guaranteed, whereas something like this is definitely going to work much better for people. So for the occasional use or like a backup phone, you know, having the ability to kind of do DIY or kind of makeshift setup is fine. One thing you'll note is I've got tape over the video camera, and then so if there's any malware installed on the computer or on the phone or any kind of infiltration, then, you know, certainly that would help from keeping the video. And then from audio, we have just a standard headphone jack. Basically, the big thing with this is you want to make sure that you cut the wires back and then secure them so that they're not going to touch in case it shorts out on your devices. And then what I do is I added some extra tape onto the back or around this. And then on the back of the phone here is a NFC tag that I can use for multiple different things, whether it be a simple dead drop to passing on emergency information, a whole host of neat things you can do with these, programming my phone to do different things. So they're pretty handy to have. So the phone, the jack, an RF shield of some kind. And then it's important to note, if you read the blog post, you're never going to use this for making any phone calls. You're just going to use this for Wi-Fi through a secure VPN. And it's always kind of on the go. So it gives you some information while you're, or intelligence or whatever you want to call it, while you're moving through a non-permissive environment. So the more commercial version of this kit is the Mission Darkness bag. I've got, this is a mic lock that basically just has a little rubber sleeve and does essentially the same thing as my DIY. This bag is, you'll see this bag featured in many of my blog posts, from non-permissive environments to urban movement to burner phone use. There is a plethora of different types of things that you can do with this bag. Definitely highly recommend it. You know, if you need something quick in a pinch, the tinfoil works. But if you need something really bomber, really multiple functional, then go with the Mission Darkness bag from Stately Asset Protection. So with that, hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.